Welcome back to this channel. Earlier, I have reviewed some very important books on programming, like Python. I recommend Self-Taught Programmer, alright? And another book I recommended for the beginners who going to learn coding by him or herself. You can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript from scratch from this book, Get Coding. And if you want to keep another skill of programming under your belt, I recommend Mastering Java. Okay, this is an excellent book, and if you buy this book, just below the link of this video tutorial, you will find a link to buy also this Python programming tutorial. Okay, and last but not the least, actually you need just this book if you want to become expert web programmer or software engineer or software developer or full stack software developer. All right, Complete Software Developers Career Guide. It's by John Sunmich. Okay, now when you buy this book, the book has a lot of links where you can navigate to the personal coaching, personal programming classes and guides of this author. Okay, now the Complete Software Developers Career Guide teaches you from beginning to end what you have to do to learn coding, how you can learn fast, and how you can master over the software engineering. And it will also teach you how to learn your next programming language, ace your programming interview, and land the coding job of your dreams. Okay, remember, any software engineer makes more than $100,000 per year. Expert software engineer, they make more than $200,000 every year. So if you want to start learning to code, I recommend first Get Coding. It might seem very beginner's book, but definitely you can master on the core web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you can start building your own website, web application, even you can develop games. Alright, so you will find the link below this video to go through the largest online library if you want to order anytime. So thank you very much again. Many of you emailed me to review some of the books, to recommend some of the books that can be helpful for the beginners. Again, my first recommendation is to Get Coding, okay, where you can learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the core web technologies. That is very important. Then second recommendation is Self-Taught Programmer, okay, and it comes with the course of this author. I'll put the link below also. And Mastering Java, and finally the last but not the least, The Complete Software Developer's Career Guide. These 4 books for the beginners, more than enough. Alright, thank you very much. See you in the next book review. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.